it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. I've just popped on today to show you what I've been working on lately. I've been making some bound books for my journaling and I just love them. I'm going to show you this one today and this one on another day. So I found this beautiful fabric in my stash. It was just a small piece, so I was wondering what I could make with it, and actually I've made a lovely needlebook with it and this journal. So it's hard backed, and I'll probably do a video to show you how I've done this, but I'm just going to flip through it. I've put this end page in, which is one of our Etsy packs. So let's have a little look through here. I love these pages from our sewing themed journal on Etsy, and there's an artist trading card. These beautiful book pages that I've used. Lots of lovely plain paper, vellum craft paper, line paper, and these are old pattern pieces that I've stuck in. Some tea stain, envelopes, music paper, and these, the little cotton reel there stuck in, old patterns, some graph paper to draw out some patterns, more craft paper, drawing paper, inspiration here with knitting, I love all the different styles and shapes of the pages. That's the envelope there, so I'm going to put one of these little cards in here. That goes nicely there. And I think I'm going to stick a picture on there. See what I've got. I'm going to cut one of these out. Yeah, I love that. Some fabric here. More vellum. And these pages from our Etsy shop I put on card, and they hold the signatures. I've got 4 signatures in each book that I've made. And there I've added a pocket, and I've got some of these that just a new pack that we have, and I'm going to add some to this journal. Got them laid out here. Just going to pop them in. I'm looking forward to using this. I'm going to add some pictures. Oh, that's a little cotton reel I've got to stick in somewhere. Some pattern pieces. This is a side pocket. I've added some fabric there. And so I can put some of my cards in there. I love that one. Skating along on the ice with a sewing machine. A very old advert. I've done lots of stitching. Some belly bands with some fabric. I love those boxes made out of fabric. I love this piece from our pack with the ribbon. Some beautiful writing paper here. And I know that's very useful for a lot of people making journals. Another pocket there. I've got 4 signatures in this journal, and I love that piece where it's all about the crochet hooks and knitting needles. I think they're all crochet hooks actually. Some lace there. Another little pocket there. What can I put in there? That one. I've got lots of writing space in here, which I wanted. I've got sort of a trifold belly band here. Another pocket. And I'm thinking I might cut one of my, this is how the cards come on Etsy, I might cut one of those out and put that on. That one would be quite nice on there. And it's also a pocket. And another pocket there. Some beautiful pages from the book I'm using. That's the end page again. I just love that fabric. It just says sewing to me, but it's got all these different sort of stitch lines. I really love this journal. I'm going to really enjoy using it. Have it by my sewing machine, I think. Okay, well, I'll come back and show you the other one that I've made. I hope you enjoyed looking through it, and as I say, I'm going to do a video on how I made these. Quite simple, but they do take some time, but they are worth it. Bye for now, everyone. Happy crafting. I'll see you again soon.